Hi everyone, today is Saturday. We are going to celebrate again and it's barbecue time for the crew. Then karaoke time. The cook is preparing something for everybody. We are now passing Unimak, Alaska. It's about 4 degrees temperature outside. So let's check it out. Right, mukhang nagkakagulo na. Yan, Chief Engineer, oh. Sikan Engineer. Ayos. Masaya rito. Mayor. Ayos lang. Oh, sikan na celebration namin ito sa Chinese New Year tuloy. Tsaka birthday ni Chief Engineer, oh. Happy birthday, Chief. Ayos, Juju yan. Oh, ito yung isang magandang lalaki natin, pinakabata dito sa barko. Ayun namin sinicelebrate yung birthday ni Chief Engineer. Sika na Chinese celebration namin ito. Tinapat lang namin ng Saturday kasi maganda ngayon ng panahon. We are passing Unimak, Alaska. So, Sabado nights. Mamaya, karaoke tayo mamaya. Busy yung mga tao ngayon doon. Nandun sila lahat sa kusina. Nagba-barbecue sila. So maraming hinahanda ngayon. Kaya enjoy the food everybody. Andito lahat, oh, busy. Pati si Mayor. Ayun. Oh, continue ito. Part 2 ito ng Chinese New Year namin. Tercero, oh. Bayan dito sa tabi-tabi lang si Tercero dito. May yung lechon namin, pakita namin sa inyo, nakatabingi. Yes. Balat nito. Oh, this is my third mate. This is second celebration for the Chinese New Year. Yeah, Kong Hei Fat Soy.
Chinese New Year not finished.
Yeah, not yet finished.
Until to February 23.
Okay, so this is just in time. Yeah. So guys, the Chinese New Year celebration is until February 23rd. So tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Yung first day namin, nung Tuesday, so ito yung part 2. Tuloy-tuloy lang kasi yung celebration ng mga Chinese is until February 23rd. So again, today is Saturday. Barbecue time, karaoke time for everyone. Yung mga celebrant natin, si Chief Engineer, yan, Chief Engineer, tsaka si Boson. Where's the Boson? So, birthday celebrant natin, ang Boson. Tsaka si Chief Engineer, ngayon namin sinicelebrate ito. Okay, let's sing happy birthday to the two celebrants. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chief Engineer and Boson. Let's go. Attack. So, dalawa yung celebrant namin, si Chief Engineer at saka si Boson. Ito, umpisa na. Ayan. Ito yung mga malakasan sa makina. Ayan. Ito. Mas marami yung preparasyon namin ngayon na pagkain kaysa nung nakaraan. Ito yung mga crew, masaya. Yan, second engineer. O kayo, ba't hindi pa kayo kumain? Ba't hindi pa kayo kumain? Ito yung may pakana nitong lahat. The best.
Birthday, maestro.
Oo, salamat, Mayor. Ito si Tercero, oh. Masyadong seryoso.
Nakakaya, marami akong ulam. Anong gagawin ko? Finish. Pag-hugas. Yeah, maybe Captain already sent that. Sent already?
Yeah, I already sent.
Today morning. Okay.
Seryoso si Segundo. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang para yung meeting di-abansin natin.
Now we're planning. Yeah, Starlink internet. To get again 1 month, 500 GB. Kung
Tuloy-tuloy yung meeting di-abansin nyo. Yung mga pinag-uusapan natin dito.
ano, 30.
At nang kita'y kausapin, ako'y nangangamba na baka ika'y magalit at umiwas ka sinta. Dahil wala naman sa'yo, kailangan ka ng makakastalo.
Thinking about you all day night. Lawas ang puso ni kasi inahabit ko noon ang minahal na kita pero ngayon ginabawit ko na sulit gano'n na iwasan. I fall in still, my Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You can't forgive me, so many times it seems I feel now I didn't go. Perfect Christians after all, and though I love you so, temptation finds me. You never left my side.